Jealousy is eating you alive, and you're letting it. Here's how to stop. You're scrolling through Instagram, and there it is. Your friend's vacation photos, that coworker's promotion post, your ex's new relationship. Your chest tightens, your stomach twists, and suddenly you're spiraling. What's wrong with me? Why can't I have that? Let me tell you something. Jealousy isn't your enemy. It's a flashing neon sign pointing to exactly what you need to fix. And today, I'll show you how to use it. Here's what 97% of people get wrong about jealousy, including you. Most of us treat jealousy like a wildfire. We either try to smother it with toxic positivity, I shouldn't feel this way, or let it burn everything down. But what if I told you jealousy is actually GPS coordinates? It literally shows you where your deepest needs aren't being met. I spent 3 years studying emotional psychology and coaching hundreds of clients. The result? A 3-step strategy that doesn't just manage jealousy, it weaponizes it for personal growth. And you're getting it today. Why jealousy isn't the villain, and how to stop fighting it. Let's clear this up first. Jealousy isn't bad. It's a survival mechanism. Back in caveman times, noticing someone else had more food or a better shelter kept you alive. Your brain hasn't evolved much since then. A 2021 UCLA study found that jealousy activates the same brain regions as physical pain. So when you feel jealous, your brain literally thinks you're in danger. But here's the kicker. Trying to suppress jealousy makes it worse. It's like telling someone, don't think about pink elephants. What happens? All they see are pink elephants. Instead, we're going to flip jealousy on its head. Ready? Step 1. The ugly truth. Sandwich. Yes, you have to eat it. Let's talk about Emily. She came to me shaking with rage because her best friend got engaged first. I'm happy for her, but sound familiar? Here's what most experts won't tell you. Stop spiritual bypassing. That but is gold. Jealousy always has 3 layers. Layer 1, the surface sting. She got engaged before me. Layer 2, the real fear. Does this mean I'll never find love? Layer 3, the core need. I need reassurance I'm lovable. Here's your action. Next time jealousy hits, grab your phone. Open notes. Finish this sentence. I'm not really jealous of X. I'm terrified that Y's, because what I truly need is Z. Emily's looked like, I'm not really jealous of Sarah's engagement. I'm terrified that I'll die alone, because what I truly need is proof I'm worthy of commitment. Let's break this down with another example. Meet Jake, 34, who hated his friend's new Tesla. His jealousy sandwich? I'm not really jealous of the car. I'm terrified that I'm falling behind in life, because what I truly need is to feel successful on my own terms. Boom. Now he knows it's not about the Tesla. It's about redefining success. Step 2. The billionaire brain hack. Steal this mindset. Now, the game changer. Stanford researchers found that envy activates the same brain regions as physical pain. No wonder it hurts. But here's the secret. High performers reframe jealousy as free market research. Let me explain. When billionaire Sara Blakely sees someone thriving, she asks, "What can I learn here?" You're not failing. You're getting data. Your turn. Next jealousy attack. Ask, what quality in them am I craving? How can I cultivate that in myself without comparison? What's one tiny action I can take today toward that? Example. Jealous of a colleague's promotion. Maybe you crave recognition. Action. Document your wins daily in a brag book. Within weeks, you'll either have evidence to negotiate a raise or clarity to pivot. Another case study. Lisa, 29, envied her cousin's perfect marriage. Using the billionaire hack, she realized she craved emotional safety. Her tiny action? She started setting boundaries with her critical mother. Result? Her actual relationships improved faster than her cousin's Instagram facade. Step 3. The 7-day Jealousy Detox Challenge. Warning, results are addictive. This is where magic happens. For 7 days, you'll 1. Track triggers. Use a jealousy journal. Phone notes work. 2. Convert envy to energy. 5 minutes of rage cleaning or power poses after each entry. 3. Steal strategically. Identify one actionable trait from each trigger to adopt. Let's walk through a real detox week. Day 1. Your friend posts about their new job. Journal. I'm jealous because I feel stuck. Energy burst. Dance to your angriest playlist. Steal. Their confidence in applying widely. Day 3. Your neighbor buys a Peloton. Journal. I'm scared I'll never get fit. Energy burst. Do 10 push-ups. Steal. Their consistency, not the bike. Day 7. Ex's tropical vacation pics. Journal. I feel like I'm wasting my life. Energy burst. Scream into a pillow. Steal. Their sense of adventure. Plan a local hike. Case study. Mike, 28, was jealous of his gym buddy's physique. Through the detox, he realized he envied the discipline, not the abs. He started waking up 15 minutes earlier to meditate. In 3 months, he doubled his productivity and got leaner. The abs were just a bonus. Your jealousy just became your superpower. Let's recap your anti-jealousy arsenal. 1. Dig past the ugly truth. To your core, need. 2. Mine jealousy for growth data. Like a billionaire. 3. Detox with micro-actions that build real confidence. Remember when I said jealousy is GPS? You're now holding the map. But here's the catch. Knowledge is useless without action. Your turn, but don't skip this part. I'd love to hear your stories. Did you try the jealousy sandwich? What ugly truth did you uncover? Drop a comment below. Your experience could help someone else feel less alone. And if this video clicked for you, subscribe. 1 click. That's all it takes to get more strategies that turn life's messiest emotions into rocket fuel. Let's make your next year jealousy-proof